In this video, we are going to see how to calculate sum of salaries of all employees using stream. So in this code, we have already created a array list. We have created 4 employee objects. We have added this employee object into the array list. Now what we do is let us uh, use the stream to calculate the sum of salaries of all employees. We declare a variable, integer variable total equal to, we convert this array list into a stream using stream method. Okay, this method will convert the array list into a stream. Now let us call collect method. Collect method is a reduction function. It reduces the stream into a value. We have to pass a collector to this method. So we have to call collectors dot. There is a method summing int method. This method takes the implementation of two int function as argument. So we have to write a lambda expression to it. E means employee object, get salary. So we call the get salary method, and this is internally used by the summing int method to um, find out the collector, create the collector for that, and that collector is used by the collect method to reduce the stream into value. That value is the sum of salaries of all employees. That value is stored inside the variable total. Now the let us print the value system dot out dot println, and we print that value now. Total salary total. Okay, so now let us run this code and see the output. Now see the output, total salary 51,000. So let us summarize what we have done here. So we have created a array list. We have created 4 employee objects. We have added these employee objects into the array list. We convert the array list into a stream using stream method. Then we called the collect method to reduce it into a value. We pass the collector by calling the collectors.summing int method, and we pass the implementation of two int function, which is e lambda operator e dot get salary. The value is stored inside the total variable total, and we print the variable.